everybody! Good morning! It is November 10, Thursday, 2016. I am in my bedroom. This is our bed. This is Kiko's side. This is my side. And it's kind of magulo because, you know, my dog is here, my kids sleep here, my kids come here. Anyway, what's this? I have questions here from some Sharonians that were collected by the one and only Jack David of All Things Sharon. All Things Sharon is also a channel on YouTube that you can visit. Is it a channel or a website? But All Things Sharon, so just Google that and you'll find it. It has a lot of information about me. And kaya pala ako nag-i-English. I have to talk in English because I have an audience worldwide. Maraming mga Pinoy all over the world. Tatranslate na lang nila yun. Maraming Pinoy all over the world na because of TFC that I'm so blessed to be part of. So I want them also to join in the conversation na, pero ako lang yun, to understand what I'm saying. So, I hope you don't mind. Tatagalog din naman ako syempre minsan. Minsan mag-worsh ako. Minsan, Taglish lang. Yun lang. Yung ano lang, basta natural lang. Anyway, thank you, Jack, for collecting the questions. I know that these have been submitted some time ago. But, eto ngayon, umpisahan na natin, okay? This is the first batch. Number 1. Kailan ang Sharon Gabby reunion movie matutuloy ba? May chance ba? That's from Jessamine Pelorina of Butuan, who is 16. Hi, Jessamine! And also from Lori David. I think Annabelle Salvador of Laguna. I don't have a question from Annabelle. Donna Jane De Paloma of Iloilo. Pero iba pa yung questions nila or mga requests. Jessamine, miss na po namin ang tambalan nyo. Sana muli yung mga pelikula ninyo. Sana maulit muli yung mga pelikula ninyo. Actually, the Sharon Gabby movie was scheduled for very soon. I don't know if it still is because it doesn't depend sa akin lang o sa Star Cinema lang. Syempre, it will depend on Gabby, it will depend on the producers, it will depend on the demand, it will depend on kung ano ang sa tingin ng Star Cinema na talagang people are clamoring for. So, if it wins in the clamoring for department, then I have a feeling it might push through. But it will also depend a lot on Gabby, I think. I think, you know, when I make a movie, I like to... Whenever I make a movie, it's not just work to me. It takes away, wow, depending on your director, anywhere between 2 to 6 months and sometimes even a year for some actors to finish a movie. So if it will take away that much time from my family, I'd like it to be a really happy and good experience. I just want to do a movie. Usually, I just really want to work. And it will really depend on if Gabby wants to work with me or if he'll enjoy, because we haven't seen each other or we haven't really spent time together in many years. So I don't know how much he's changed. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't even know if we're friends. We're not fighting, but we're not really. I saw him in an event not so long ago. When was that? Last month? No? Last month. I saw him in an event. And nag-usap naman kami, pero it wasn't, I can't say na close kami or that it was a very happy pagkikita. It also wasn't a bad pagkikita. So, somewhere in the middle. So, I'm really not sure, honestly. And I'm sure, I'm not saying na ang sama ni Gabby, no, not at all. I'm just saying hindi ko alam kung ano ang iniisip niya, if he wants to do the movie with me, if we're going to have a good time while working together. Kasi ang dami nang nagbago sa buhay namin. The Gabby I knew and the Sharon he knew from when we were teenagers and we got married and then we separated and did movies together are really different now. He's a very different person now from what he was before, and same with me. May sarili na siyang pamilya, may sarili na akong pamilya. It's been, to make a long story short, I'm too old for complications or drama or whatever. And I'm not saying there's going to be drama or complications if I work with him, but I would like it to be a happy set. If he is offered a movie with me and he accepts it, I hope that we work well together. Kasi magkasundo naman kami nung araw eh. You know, when Gabby is really nice, he's really nice. So, when he's masungit, he's really masungit. Like me. So, let's just keep praying for that. Let's just keep praying for that. Nakakatuwa, people born after, well, nung mga 80s na, pag tinatanong namin sila, sinong gusto nyo, Gabby, Richard? Sasagot ng iba, Richard or Robin. Kasi parang yun ang mga naabutan nila, or hindi nila naabutan yung history namin ni Gabby na someone has to explain to them. Someone has to make kwento to them. Well, how wonderful the Sharon Gabby love team was. And maybe I can use the word strong, powerful, even in the box office. Chemistry, naturally, no question, was always there between us. We did get married. We did have a beautiful daughter, and so I'll just leave it at that. Let's just keep praying na matuloy. Okay? Anyway, eto pa. From Lori David of Antique. Hi Lori, how are you? Gusto ko kayong makita sa personal at mayakap at mamiss kasi super idol ko po kayo. I love you, idol. Thank you, Lori. Ang dali-dali naman actually. Gusto ko nagyayakap talaga ng fans, lalo yung mga matagal ko lang kilala at yung mga bago kong kilala. Kasi when they come, I know the effort na it took them to see me. Yung ang layo minsan ng pinanggalingan, naghanap ng kilala ko, just to get near me or visit my taping or whatever I'm doing, visit me at work. Tapos, so I appreciate that a lot. I really don't, I'm not oblivious to that. I don't take it for granted. In other words, I like meeting people, and especially people that love me for one reason or another. So I love hugging people, and you know, and I'm basically a happy, friendly person. It's just that I'm mabait to everyone, but I'm very choosy with my friends. Yung friends ko parang mga di maubos yung 10 daliri ko sa yung talagang na-open upan ko, na natatrust ko, kasi medyo napaso na ako ng ilang beses. So kailangan piling-pili. Excuse me. And usually they're not from showbiz. So, but when it comes to that, I really, when my other fans will tell you how much I adore my fans, and that's really sincere, and my witness to that is God Almighty. Okay, Annabelle Salvador from Laguna. Annabelle, for some reason I don't have your question here. Maybe Jack accidentally deleted it. Anyway, Donna Jane De Paloma of Iloilo. Sana po ma-meet na po kita. Ako rin, sana ma-meet na kita, Donna Jane. It's very easy, lalo na ngayon. You're in touch with all things Sharon. That's probably one of the easiest ways to get to see me. If you get in touch with Jack or anybody na Sharonian sa All Things Sharon, if you visit my Facebook page, there will be Sharonians. You will see in the messages, makikita mo yung mga kilala ko na, kasi sa messages nila, some will say, Ate, it was nice seeing you again the other day, or Ate, I'll see you tomorrow. Yung mga matagal ko lang kilala, medyo makikita mo kung sino. So you can probably get in touch with those people and say, how do I get to meet her? My name is so-and-so. Because when you're a Sharonian, it's easy to make friends with another Sharonian. They're very, very gracious. They're very, very friendly. And they're very welcoming. And they of course, they love meeting other Sharonians. So, I hope to meet you soon too, Donna Jane. And this is from Chard Nang. I remember you said at the Boy Abunda show that you will have a meeting with ABS regarding your movie with Star Cinema. What happened? Oh, I just posted that. In my YouTube post before this one, it was the meeting at Star Cinema for that movie. And I can't announce yet what happened. And at this moment, they're still really deciding. Like I said, they're still really deciding. It's not even between two people, I think. Now it's, they're deciding who among three, maybe. So, we'll see. I'm also in suspense. I don't know also. I'm waiting for them. I will call Tita Malu after this. This one is from Ms. Ruby Lee. Oh, that starts shooting. I'm supposed to start shooting my movie in January, my birthday month. And unfortunately, I know some people are gonna ask, I won't have a birthday concert because I'll be so busy with a new TV show, which is starting very soon, which will air my birthday week in January. But it won't have anything to do with only me. It will be with other people, other stars. It's a great show. It will be wonderful. It will be fun. So wait for that. Please watch out for that. What is correct? Watch out for that or look out for that? Watch out is parang watch out or look out. Oh, what's correct? Anyway, excuse me. May I have tissue, please? I'm sorry. I have sipon. Sorry. I always have sipon. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Just the business. Thank you, Mr. Shi. Excuse me po. See, I'm organic. I know that I have a light, but I have a shadow here. Imagine niyo na lang na, mami ko yan. Joke. Imagine niyo na lang. Excuse me. Kasi organic lahat ng ginagawa ko. Everything here is so raw and or, you know, parang, what do you call it? Unprofessional, and I think that's charming because you always see me on TV na ayos and ganyan. Anyway, oh, this is so sweet from Ms. Ruby Lee from Dubai. Hi, Ruby. Uy, ang ganda na ng Dubai, Ruby. Bago lang po akong Sharonian, pero na-in love na po ako sa inyo agad. Grabe. Nang dahil kay Ate Raquel de Mission. Thank you, Raquel. Thank you very much, and thank you, Ruby. I hope to meet you very soon. At saka sana makadalo ulit ako sa Dubai. I love Dubai. Especially now, grabe. Yung commercials, yung mga bagong mga shopping centers, kahit wala akong binibili. I want to take the kids to Atlantis because it's a beautiful resort. Pero hindi magkasabay yung mga bakasyon nila, so we couldn't even go on vacation this year. Well, not for a long vacation anyway. So maybe one day when I go there, or when you visit, please get in touch again with a Sharonian. It's very easy. Go to Facebook or my Twitter account, Sharon_Cuneta12, or my Instagram, and you will meet Sharonians there. But Facebook is the easiest, and all things Sharon. Okay, go get in touch with Jack. Jack is someone I really love because wala siyang kasawa-sawa na mas binabantayan pa niya ako kaysa sa pagbabantay ko sa sarili ko. You know, he's very thorough and very sweet and very matyaga with me. I really appreciate it, Jack. I love you. And ito, okay, we'll now go to the next one. Movie daw with Robin Padilla. Nako, kung pwede lang ngayon na, mamayang hapon, kung pwede lang. Robin is really, I have to say, one of my favorite leading men. Okay, Robin is my favorite leading man. Because when I do a movie with Robin, there is never a dull moment. I'm sorry, I have to say, he's my favorite leading man. Wag sana magtampo yung iba. Wala naman pa kayo iba, okay lang. Pero I love my other leading men. I really do. I love working with them. But Robin is the most fun to work with. Robin is the most caring, the most solicitous, the most... oh my God, everybody's professional, but Robin is the one na tipong kahit matulog dun sa set at nauuna pa sa direktor, mapapahiya ka talaga pag co-star ka ni Robin. At, excuse me, nahulog po yung star. And he's very masaya, very masayahin, pati yung mga kasama niya masayahin. Kaya kami magkasundo kasi yung mga kasama ko masayahin din. We're both, you know what, believe it or not, si Robin at ako, I think we're cut from the same cloth. We're kami pinaka magkasundo. And you won't believe it, pero, we think the